I don't know if you've noticed, but these days, a lot of the protein powders and protein bars have a lot of synthetic protein in them, which means they're man-made and not natural. So when our body ingests something that's not real, it's not natural, our body really doesn't recognize it and it's not too good for it. So what we're going to do today, we're going to make a natural protein bar. All natural ingredients, all raw as well, vegan, I guess you could say as well. So we're going to start off with some almonds, okay? It's going to be 2 cups of almonds. Almonds, out of all the nuts out there, they're actually quite alkaline. Some of the other nuts are very acidic. So alkaline nuts, we're going to put them in there, that's the almonds. Chia seeds, the essential fatty acids for our body, has 5 times more calcium than milk, and heaps of iron and everything in there too. So it's really good for our bodies. A couple of teaspoons of chia seeds and some chocolate. Now we love chocolate. Everyone loves chocolate. If you don't, there's something definitely wrong with you. Chocolate is, in its raw form, is actually a very powerful superfood. Okay, really high levels of vitamin C, helps dopamine, tryptophan, serotonin. So it's great for an antidepressant if you're in a bad mood. It's also high levels of magnesium. Now your body needs magnesium to deal with stress. So after the gym, it's really important for your muscles. And particularly it helps with cramps. So if you suffer from cramps, get into some magnesium. Now, protein, I'm just going to put about a cup of protein in there. That's all vegan brown rice protein. Now for the sweetener, we're going to need something sweet here. So the dates. Okay, these dates are awesome. In terms of the sugars in the dates, they're really natural. It's going to give us a natural energy boost. So it's great, obviously, before the gym, after the gym, this snack. It's about a cup of dates in there and some coconut oil. All right. So many uses of this coconut oil stuff. You can use it on your skin as like a moisturizer. It's great in the sun if you want to do tanning. You can cook with it. You can do whatever you like with it. It's awesome. Now, honey is optional if you want to sweeten it up. You don't have to, but we're going to use a little bit of honey. It's about a teaspoon of honey. So starting off always with the lid on top. And on the variable speed number 5, we're just going to turn it on and let it all pulse through. So it's all going to be one consistency. Whoop. Turned it on. There we go, that's what we want to have. Wait till all the ingredients are kind of mushed together a little bit. Alright, awesome. So, look at that. Inside there, it's its own, it kind of looks like a big date. If we get it out. There we go. That's what we want. So, that's your protein bar. Really, you could eat into that, whatever you want to do. Oh, so good. I've got it on my teeth, but it's warm right now. The blade spinning so fast is actually warming up all the ingredients. So I'm just going to put 2 chopping boards on top of each other here. Flatten it out. Now you have a few options. You can cut them up, store them in the fridge, put them in the freezer, put them into little Ziploc bags. But right now, it's very gooey, right? Very gooey, very sticky. So, awesome. Tastes beautiful and so simple and cheap. Hopefully you like it.